Hey guys, this is Will's Automotive channel. I'm showing you how to install a tail tidy on a Ninja 400 2019 model. So I have already put this bit together, just the simple stuff. Follow the instructions for it. It's very simple, easy. The light there, the indicator brackets, and the wiring hasn't been done yet, and then these ready to go underneath. Now all you need to do to start off with is take this seat off, the passenger seat, and you just need to do that by coming under here and putting a key in like that and turning it while pulling this up. So you pull up the front of the seat like that, and then you wiggle it out. Just wiggle it out, pull it a little bit, but don't pull too hard because you might break these. Now under here we've got all this, so we pull this up like this. So this here just pulls forward and pull it up. I've got my manual here, which I have never opened. Then you've got these wires just here. These wires here, these ones are your indicator wires underneath this stuff. So you want to unplug those. I'll get to that. You need a small screwdriver, a very small one, to get to the clips, and then you just pull. I won't be able to show you one because I don't have 4 hands, but I'll take one off. I'll take them all off and then I'll show you. All good. Alright guys, I'm back. So I have taken off, I'll turn on my flash. So I've taken off using the small screwdriver and my fingers, small flathead. I've taken off these two with the small flathead. These two go into, this one goes into the grey one. This one goes into the close black one. And this one here goes into the far back one, black one. This one I struggled with because it wasn't the same as the others. You have to pinch down on this to pull it out. I thought you had to pull up or something, but no. And then now all I have to do is loosen these screws, I think, and then this thing should come loose and I should be able to pull it out. So this here should come loose, so I should be able to pull it out. Thank you. I'll be back when I get these off and that loose, and I'll film myself pulling it off. So I have taken the bolts off, apart from one which is loose, fully loose, and the bottom here just pulls out like that. As you can see, you just pull it gently and just pull one of these out at a time. Oh no, all of them come out. Alright. You just got to be careful with this. There we go. Got it all off. Now I just need to be able to take these off. I need to take the indicators off and the number plate, and then I need to put them on the new one, and then remount it. Practically all the same as before. As you can see, I have managed to take off one of the indicators. Comes out of there, out of here. Now to do that, I had to unscrew this bolt here, which I royally effed. There's almost nothing left of it. And then flick this out. This here sits through this wire in there, like in there. Whoops. Fuck. Sorry. In here, like this, but like over the wire. So you've got to stick your screwdriver under this bit and flick it up and then take it off the wire. It's easy. I'll show you the other one, how to pull it off, how to pull off the indicator. It seems pretty hard. I've got it upside down right now. It's actually pretty easy. So you have to take this out first and this one out first, and then you push it in like that and push it through like that, and you pull the wire through and it's all good. Thank you. I'll get back to you in the next part. I have gotten the first indicator onto the new one, as you can see. The first one is pretty hard. I haven't bolted in yet, but you have to push this through that hole there. It's pretty hard. I recommend using a small screwdriver to help you, just to push the little lips through. I'll get back to you. I'll show you. I'll get back to you when I do this, when I put this on. Okay guys, so I put everything on, my P-plate, my indicators. I had to wire these using what's called posi tap things. Not sure if I did it right, but they've got a new light here and you're not running the old light because you don't have that. So what's the point? So I just cut them, did that, and I'm going to wrap some tape around these, some electrical tape, and then I'll plug it on and I'll put it in and plug them in. I'll show you. All good. I'll be back. Okay, I have installed it. This is what it looks like. Very nice. That with the P-plate is how much wheel clearance it has. About my hand, or about half a hand. Pretty good. See, it looks a lot smaller. Now, I have put these wires back in here. Just wait, torch. Damn it, I can't use it too low. Yeah, I put these wires back in. They're a bit of a pain to plug in, especially that back one, the one I struggled to get out in the first place, because that back one sits further back and it's annoying. Yeah. So I'll plug this in now. It's all good. I'll show you it working. See, correct. All good. All good. And then got this light working here. Yep. So it's all plugged up all nice. I did tape up those wires. I've got the tape somewhere on the ground. And I plug these in. And it's all good. Just needs a wash and a cover. Yes. Very nice. All good. See? Looks much better. Much better than the old bloody long diving board that goes out to here. Is much better, see?